Hope you all are good. Welcome to English class. Kids, this is your book Fitzroy Word Skills, and today we are going to do an interesting exercise from chapter 3, The Mud Hut, and the name of the exercise is Draw Pictures. Kids, this exercise is given in your book on page number 27. So let's start. Firstly, we will draw the picture of lots of mud. So kids, in this way you have to draw the picture of mud. Like this. This is the picture of lots of mud. Now next picture we have to draw the mud hut. Now we are going to draw the picture of mud hut. Firstly, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, draw a sleeping line, one more sleeping line, standing line, again standing line, and one more standing line. Draw a sleeping line like this. Is this the door? So this is the picture of the mud hut. Now next picture, Sam and Meg sit. Firstly, we will draw the picture of Sam. Draw a small circle, two eyes, lips, hair, like this. Now draw a small square box like this. Now two hands, draw a slanting line, small sleeping line, from this side also small slanting line, small sleeping line. Now make a curve like this from both the sides, draw a sleeping line. Now two legs, small sleeping line, slanting line, from this side also sleeping line, slanting line. This is the picture of Sam. Now next picture, Meg. Small circle, two eyes, lips, hair, like this. Fill the color like this. Now make a small square box. Two hands, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Make a curve from both the sides. Draw a sleeping line, two legs, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. Sam and Meg sit. Now we have to draw the picture of Mum and Dad sit. Firstly, we will draw the picture of Mum. Draw a small circle, two eyes, lips, hair, fill the color like this. Draw a small square box like this. 2 hands, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Now make a curve from both the sides. Sleeping line, 2 legs, slanting line, sleeping line, sleeping line, slanting line. From this side also sleeping line, slanting line. Now we have to draw the picture of dad. Again make a small circle, 2 eyes, hair, fill the color, like this. Now make a square box, 2 hands, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Now make a curve from both the sides, sleeping line. Now 2 legs, sleeping line, slanting line. From this side also sleeping line, slanting line. So this was the picture of mom and dad sit. So kids, today we have done the exercise draw pictures. So do practice on your copies. Bye bye. Take care.